Fatima is a below poverty line Muslim woman in slums in Delhi. She was in labor pain.
It was very late at night, really very late. We went to sleep, then suddenly I got pain in my stomach.
She went to the government hospital and she was denied admission in the hospital, citing the reason that there are no beds available.
She was born under the tree. She was born at night around 3 to 4 a.m.
She ended up delivering under the tree on the busy road in Delhi in full public view.
I can't believe how pregnant and lactating mothers are treated in this country. I think it's part of the general culture of neglect and disregard for the poor. And when you come to poor women, they are on a much lower rung. And when you come to poorer women who are vulnerable, who are pregnant, then I suppose they get the worst treatment of them all.
It's a fundamental right of every woman to survive pregnancy and childbirth. So it's a constitutional right and it's a basic human right of every woman.
We focus on using our constitution, which is a very powerful instrument, and our high courts and the Supreme Court of India.
We file public interest litigations and individual case on behalf of these below poverty line women.
It's a unique system in that sense, very different from the West, where relief can be brought to thousands, if not millions of people by a single court order. The Reproductive Rights Unit of the Social Legal Information Center basically focuses its efforts on going to areas where there are crises for pregnant women. We are there when the crisis happens. We immediately give solidarity and support. We immediately do fact findings. And then we use those reports to rush to courts and say, we need this woman to be admitted. We need blood in this area. We need doctors to come immediately. And through court orders, we try and change the situation in that locality.
Fatima's case is a very typical case. It's a story of every other woman in India who's been denied health care. We filed a writ petition for violations of her rights on several counts, in which we have gotten landmark judgment.
But we are very far from where we have to go. We are the first, I think, law office in the country to do reproductive rights on this scale. The MacArthur Award would raise our work to an altogether different level in the sense that we'd be able to have a steady and stable, specialized unit on reproductive rights.